Good morning, you animals, heathens, whatever you want to call yourselves. It's a beautiful Friday morning. We are loaded up as always. We got to stop and get some more juice so we can slang a little bit of this hot sauce. Today we have two jobs. One is going to be towards the beaches area. Going to be a double driveway, nothing too crazy. Put the mini Mondo on the truck, so that's good to go. And second job is going to be a house wash, driveway, patio wash, that kind of stuff. Just let a little bit of water out of this tank. And yeah, other than that, let's keep it moving. Let's make some money and let's get ready for the weekend. Arrival at job number one. Just ran the water line. House is fairly decent. We're out here at the beaches area. Driveway not so much. We got two driveways. Light work. Light work, light work. All right, here we are. One side is done, and yeah, we're moving on to the next one. Just to kind of give you a little look-a-loo. The whole driveway ended up going all the way to the back. Cool. Let's wrap up this other side, and we are off to the next job. Post-treated it, well, not post-treated, post-treated the other side. Put about 5% sauce down over this way. And yeah, we can get started here. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, that's what we want to see right there. Oh yeah, beautiful. Man, God only knows when the last time this concrete was cleaned. We'll touch that curb up here. Where's the one? Oh my God, look at the difference. I mean, this is bring it back, bring it back. This is bring it back, bring it back. All the way. Obviously, we're not touching the painted surfaces. Please don't ever touch the painted surface. Let's move this bad boy over. There we go. Oh yeah, see, this is what this is. This says hello. just screams hello. I mean, this is like the most satisfying thing to watch on earth. I can't wait to see this done. It's gonna look good. Good. Love it. I don't know about you guys, but I really like this POV camera view right here. It just kind of makes you feel like you're right here doing it yourself, but it's really me doing it. You're enjoying watching it at home. Good stuff. I'm just teasing, guys. Lovely. This is beautiful. I mean, this is just phenomenal. Once we're done, we're gonna give it a nice light post treat. Get some of this algae that's really embedded deep down inside the concrete. And yeah, we'll be off to the next job probably in the next 15 minutes. All right, peace. Nothing like a finished product. Went ahead and took it all the way to the back here for this gentleman. This is actually a, we're gonna say, buddy of mine. And yeah, here we go. All right, job number one is done. Literally, mini mondo for the rescue. Took us an hour and a half. Wrapped up, going to get some gas, some quick lunch, and yeah, now we're headed to the next job. We're gonna get that puppy wrapped up Friday. Let's get it. All right, here we are, job number 2. Got the dog is barking at us. That's kind of what they're supposed to do, right? Run this hose to the back. Oh, we got some landmines. We got some doggy doo-doo landmines. Yes, we do. Let's not step on the landmines. You know, with this one, we're gonna start in the back and work our way forward. The other side has a neighbor's gate on the side, which is no problem. You can kind of see it. We've got normal growth, normal dirt, vinyl siding. We're gonna apply about a good 1.5–2% on this. Watch this stuff melt right off. Get all the drip edge and everything nice and clean. And we're gonna hit this driveway in the front. And yeah, nothing too crazy. Touch base in a minute. Alrighty, here we are. Just gonna do a really good pre-soak here. We have a lot of plants. We have a lot of plants that we gotta worry about, a lot of bushes. So yeah, get these nice and saturated while we're washing and doing what we do. The rinse already got a lot of this stuff off, if you kind of see. But again, a lot of this stuff up here is just gonna need to be washed. So we're just soaking as we're working our way to the back. Oh yeah, those eaves are gonna need it. There you go. Again, we're dealing with vinyl. especially white vinyl. You don't want to put pressure on this stuff. This stuff will literally show all the marks. Spider webs and all that good stuff. Yeah, you see it. A lot of it's coming off. Again, once we add sodium hypochlorite and surfactant. Oh, yeah, there you have it. That's Florida pollen season for you. There you go. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, yeah, look at that. You can see a lot of this stuff coming off already. A lot of it. Yeah, hit that with a little bit. Do what we do. There you go. Again, fascia board. It's aluminum. They get all the dirt coming off the roof too. Yeah. All good. All right, let's make our way to the back. This is landmine central. So we're gonna be a little bit careful here. There we go. There we go. All right. Get everything nice and wet. It's a nice tall peak there. Lovely. Okay, there you go. Getting a lot of the dirt off of it as well. Soak this fence a little bit. There we go. All right, we are nice and wet. Make sure we get it back here. Everything wet. Yep. All right, cool. We are wet. All right. Now, turn up a little bit of that hot sauce. Just the way we do, as always at this time. Again, using a 12 volt, so we're gonna give this about 45-60 seconds to actually juice up. That's when it starts pulling the chemical. Most important thing, when running a 12 volt, I read on message boards and forums all the time how people say that their pumps are going bad. And in my experience, the main reason why that happens is because you're not washing your pump out good enough. So always make sure that when you're done for the day, or well, you know me, I take extra precaution. I do it after every job. After every job, I wash everything out real good and I keep things moving. The weather's kind of cooperating with us too today. It's a cool 73. Got a nice little breeze going. Oh, I can smell it. There's the sauce. Let's put it down. Yeah, there we go. Get the soffit nice and clean. There we go. Now run the windows here. Nice and clean. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and soapy. I'm using about 1% soap. I'm really not using that much. But look at that. It's already all coming extra clean. front. Same process. Just gonna keep this moving right here. Slather it on. Oh yeah, I love it. This is great, man. I mean, seriously. Follow the recipe, guys. Follow the recipe. Everything else is history. Soak this up real nice. Let it do its job. We're gonna come over here, soak off the other side. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Oh, okay, there we go. Everything's coming right off. There we go. All right. There it is. There we go. So this soffit isn't going to come completely clean. I mean, it's obviously stained fairly bad. And because we have all these plants here, the one thing that we're going to have to do is put some chemical neutralizer down, which I always keep that on my truck. We definitely don't want to damage these plants. You know, soak it up, do it right. Lovely. You know, again, I'm keeping everything wet. All right, start our way at the top here. Everything's coming off. Oh, I don't know if you can see all that dirt, debris, and everything coming off. There it is. Yep. There she goes. Yep, looks good. Looks good. Not quite sure what that is right there, but we're going to take a look at that in a second. Open the bad boy up a little bit. There we go. All right. I don't know about you, but I love jobs like this. They're quick. You know, they're not hard to do at all. Well, they're hard to do if you don't know what you're doing. How about we rephrase that for you guys? Open this bad boy up. There we go. All right, the front doorway out here. I love it. Everything is coming out. Washing out real nice. Really good. And another thing that's really cool here, you guys kind of can't tell, all the water is running down. So it's actually making my life a little bit easier here while I'm rinsing all this off. So I like it. I'm with it. Keep that wet, 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 wet. I want these tulips. Are those tulips? I don't know. If you guys know, put it in the comments. Well, we got one of the letters coming loose here. We just screw. We'll let the customer know. We'll let the customer know. guys, we've been here 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. And yeah, we really just got one side of the house left to do. Got a little bit of rinsing to do. Right, killers. You guys can see this side is really that, well, has the most. Let's get it nice and clean. Let's get it nice and clean. Soak this bad boy up. Oh yeah, this is what we're talking about. Good algae growth, mold, mildew, you name it. We're gonna handle it. I'm gonna take care of this bad boy. Yep, see, dirt is not a sighting friend at all. Oh man. Wash the strip edge off. Man, this is dirty. I love it. I love it. Get a little bit more hose. Pull this sucker out. Grab our soft wash wand and everything else. Yeah, there we go. I'll come back and do this little bit of surface work. Shouldn't take us too long. All right. Oh, excuse me. This wind is not our best friend right now, but what do we got? We are stuck somewhere. Oh, okay. Well, let's see what it is. Here we go. Pre-soaking the other side now. Got to be extra careful. The neighbor here has a lot of plants, a lot of vegetables. So we want to make sure that we are extra careful. Okay. All right, I think my battery died there. Well, you can see everything is kind of melting off here. Her alongside the bottom, all the way in the back there. We're gonna let it sit for a second and you know, just kind of do its work. You can see the front, everything came out great. Washed off real nice, rinsed out real good. Moving to the back. Yep, everything's drying over here, so yeah, we are looking good. Okay then, well, check it out. Done. So we're in the process of wrapping up, getting all our hoses reeled in, and yeah, that's it for Friday. This house came out great. I'm extremely happy. I'm going to show you guys the other side. I was having, my battery went dead on the GoPro when I was filming the left side of the home there. So I'm going to see if that footage got caught, but you guys will see the before and after on that. It's just absolutely freaking amazing. It's really, really dirty. Yeah, come on, hose. There we go. So, yeah, if anybody has any comments, questions, concerns, it'd be cool if somebody dropped them in the comment section. Yeah. It's just be kind of cool to get some feedback from fellow washers or even people that are looking to get into the business. Once again, we should all be here to help each other. Problem with a lot of these Facebook groups that I'm on is, man, these guys are brutal, dude. I mean, they're talking smack to each other, etc., etc. So, just kind of no point in that, guys. I'm not sure why you guys do it. Oh, chemical neutralizer. Put that down all over the place. Always keep that in your truck. Handy dandy, nifty, good shit. Oh no, does YouTube let me use cuss words? Guess we'll find out. We really brightened this driveway back up. Had a lot of algae stains that are now gone. They are now G-O-N-E. I always feel like the neighbors are looking at me thinking I'm talking to myself. So, yeah. It's kind of got a letter though. Why a little funky over here. There we go. Okay. So, all up and down the side. This was the bad side. All done. Driveway, spiffy. Everything, spiffy. You guys already know. Let me get off right here. Back in the side. We've watered everything down really, really well. And yeah, that's a wrap.